Hey everyone, Technoment here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos in your iPhone. So let's get started. So if you have taken a video, there's a couple different ways to edit them. First is I'm going to go ahead and open up my Photos app here, and let's go ahead and into our video section. Now, if you want to edit a video, you can actually do it right into the Photos app itself. All you do is go ahead and click on a video. Click on that edit option and it gives you the ability to edit certain things like the length, if you wanted to shorten it, adjust it. You can also do other things as well with exposure and the contrast. There's filters you can put on, and you can also crop it to as a specific size that you like. And then also if you wanted to flip it or do things like that, just like you would edit a photo, you can change up the frames. Couple more options as well that's available here, and once you're ready, you just hit that done. Now once you're done, you can click it as save the video or create another clip on top of the existing one that you have. So you can hit that done and it will be edited. Now those are options you can play with. Now another way to also edit is using other apps as well. Now two popular ones I find are easy to edit is one is called iMovie, which is the app directly from Apple. You can download it from the App Store, and you can do certain things like start a project and then edit like a storyboard or use one of their templates, or simply select something like this one, right? You can go ahead and create a movie, and then from there on it gives you the option to edit different things, themes, soundtrack, a lot more than your regular apps. And then you can see here you can add all this voiceover and much more to it. Now there's going to be another way to also edit. Of course, there's multiple ways. Capcup is another popular app that's out there right now for you to do editing. If you want to use it, it's very popular and easy to use. Go ahead and check that out as well. Now, there's a lot you can do. This one is usually geared towards using it for TikTok and some other social medias, but they have a lot of features if you like to go ahead a little bit more advanced than the other previous two options as well. So that's how you edit videos in your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.